this video, I will show you how to uninstall apps on your Google TV. Now, there are several reasons why you might want to do this. Take for instance, if you want to free up the space on your Google TV, or you just want to delete unnecessary apps that are no longer in use on your Google TV. Whichever reason you have, this video is going to guide you to uninstall and delete apps on your Google TV. So basically, to quickly delete any app on your Google TV, what you can do is to just scroll over to the list of apps on your Google TV over here. Go ahead and hover on the app you actually want to delete or uninstall on your Google TV. In my case, I'll go ahead and uninstall and delete the VLC Media Player app over here. Now, what you want to do to delete or uninstall the app is to basically long press on the OK button or select button on your remote control, just like so. And now you're going to get these options over here. So you want to go ahead and select View Details over here. And from here, you can go ahead and click on the Uninstall button over here. Click on OK. And now the VLC Media Player app that I have on my Google TV before has been uninstalled on the TV. Now, another way to actually delete and uninstall apps on your Google TV is to basically go over to the settings of the TV over here. Click on Settings. And from here, you actually want to scroll down until you get to Apps. Click on Apps. And now you also want to go ahead and click on See All Apps to see all of the apps that are on your Google TV. Now just scroll down until you get to the app you actually want to uninstall. In my case, I'll go ahead and uninstall the Facebook Lite app over here. Click on it over here. And then from here, you're going to see the uninstall option over here. Just go ahead and click on it, just like so. And then go ahead and click on OK. And it is just going to take a minute, and that particular app will be uninstalled and deleted from your Google TV. So basically, that is how to uninstall and delete apps on your Google TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.